Hey there, John Hooks here. Welcome to my review of Nexus. I am in the members area, is what you are seeing here behind me here. And we're going to come back and take a look at what all of these mean and how this works. First, I need to get you over to my bonus page. So if you're on YouTube, beneath this video, there is a link that says get my exclusive bonuses and Nexus here. Click that link and it should take you to this very page that you are about to see right now. Okay. All right, here we are. So Nexus, it's a ChatGPT 4 add-on that exploits YouTube for free traffic in 30 seconds and then makes up to $51 per hour. So what is this? What is this Nexus? OpenAI-powered video shorts creator, works with simple voice commands, lets you enjoy free traffic. The AI does all the hard work for you. If you can beat them, if you can't beat them, join them. So now a new AI technology has recently emerged and we've gained access to new AI so classified you've never seen it before, ever. You see, we pay tens of thousands of dollars to get access to these tools before the public does. And with AI advancing so rapidly, so we can have a head start. And this AI is so powerful, it can basically legally exploit YouTube and force it to send you thousands of free visitors. So you can get started in 3 simple steps. Step number 1 is to go ahead and grab a copy. Click on any of the banners on my page here to get instant access to Nexus. Step 2 is set up. Create your human-like set and forget AI bot in 1 click that will exploit YouTube 24/7 on your behalf for free traffic, leads, and sales. And step 3, activate. We profit. Yep, that's it. Every time we unleash AI bots, we make up to countless $20 to $50 payments. So let's take a look at the pretty short demo video that goes through a pretty good explanation.
Hey there, welcome to Nexus. Now in this video, I'm going to show you a short synopsis or a funnel how you can work with your Nexus. So first of all, let me tell you that you can prompt over here about what video you want. Now I'm randomly selecting an AI generated video. So these are some video on stock market or marketing. So based on that, let me select this video. You can view the video from here. You can download the video. If you want to customize the video by yourself, you can do. But for the sake of this video, to make it quick, I am going to download it directly. So the video is being downloaded. Let me show you. So this is the video that I am going to share as a YouTube short. And this I am going to post as a stock market investment. So let me open my YouTube. Excuse me. So in this channel, I'm going to post it. So here I am. So from here, I can choose the video like this. Now, what should be the video title, the description, and what keyword I should use over here on the tags. For that also, we can use the help of Nexus. Let's see. So this should be the title. Now the description, for that also I will use this AI generated tool. So a small and sweet description for this short video. So I have pasted it over here. Now these are some common things that you would know. Now there is a part of tags. For that also I will take help of these AI shorts. So I can download it. Yes. Now I'm going to select some from them. Maybe 2 or 3. I'm randomly selecting. I'm not looking about that. So these are some which I'm providing. Now you all know what we do next. You can premiere the video, and now the video is ready for publishing. So here you can see the video is being published. Now it is coming as a short in this YouTube short section. So guys, that is how you can create a big market with the help of this Nexus, and a big opportunity will be opened for you. Thank you.
Okay, hopefully that was informative, and believe me, there is a lot more to it. Time just doesn't allow to go through it in full detail. But one thing that wasn't mentioned is that, let me go back over to the app itself, is that there is a full training page here. So if we click on that, you have training on every aspect of the program itself. All right, every aspect of Nexus. And so you have that at hand. In addition, you can save your projects, your human-like AI bots, your AI short suites. And this is where he was getting the title, the description, the script, the tags to put in the YouTube information and to get traffic. This is a bunch of sources that you can quickly and easily go and send. What you would do is that you would come up here, you would choose your project, any project, all your project will be listed there, and then you can just send them on out to these free sources at will, or to other sources that you may already have. All right, I just wanted to mention that to you. So back over here, Nexus, $17 on the front end. This is brand new AI-powered app for YouTube Shorts. It gets us set and forget traffic and a lot more. Then we have a number of upsells. We have the unlimited version for $47. We have the done for you setup for $297. You have the Nexus Autopilot edition for $39. You have the Nexus 200 done for you campaigns edition for $39. That's not too bad. for 200 done for you campaigns, certainly as compared to the $297 done for you setup. Well, you can easily set this up yourself. And upsell number 5, the franchise edition, for $197. Now, you'll get more detail on each of these upgrades after you purchase the front end of Nexus here for just $17. And remember, these benefits that you'll be getting is that, it gets hundreds of free visitors. It results the $20 to $50 payment on an hourly basis. That's based on the testers that have done this already. There's no video creation needed. You can, of course, create your own video, right? 90% of the beta testers got traffic and sales. Never before seen YouTube loophole. 100% beginner friendly, fueled by the ChatGPT 4 and OpenAI. Works in any niche, any country. Get results or get $250 back. And this comes with a 365-day guarantee. So, good deal there. The demo video, for some reason, is not showing, but the demo video that you had just seen is here. I'm not sure why it's not displaying. But of course, at any time, click on any of the red banners that you've seen on my bonus page here to go ahead and get your access to Nexus today. Now, I do have some bonuses for you here. To start off with, artificial intelligence and digital marketing. This is a flipbook tutorial talking about intelligence marketing today, or AI in internet marketing, the different ways to do it, how to make money from it, and very informative. Bonus number 2, I'm going to give you some free traffic, 5,000 visitors to any URL of your choice, plus 2,500 text ads, plus 2,500 banner impressions. Bonus number 3, 100 info product creation ideas. So this will help you have ideas to chat about, with this product, with the Nexus app. So this here gives you 100 product ideas that you can create info products for. And bonus number 4, the lightning list. And this is going to teach you how to build a big email list very fast. And bonus number 5, the affiliate advantage. And with this, you're going to learn how to go from beginner to super affiliate very quickly here. And bonus number 6 are the bonuses that Nexus has passed on through me to give to you when you purchase through any of my red banners today. And these red banners are all over the page here. Just click on any one. It will take you over to your sales page where you click on your link to purchase. This is sold on the Warrior Plus background platform, and you'll click on the green button to go ahead and access Nexus. And the blue button you should see on the page also will be to access the bonuses that I just told you that I am giving you today when you purchase through any of my banners today. That is it. I hope that this review was informative with the information, the demo, the prices, the bonus that you're getting from me today. Go ahead and jump on this now. And let me go ahead and thank you again for your time, and enjoy the rest of your day. And as always, to your success.